Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi was so excited for Leo's birthday party. Balloons bounced, music played, and best of all, there was a huge chocolate cake with sprinkles. Mimi clapped her hands with glee. When it was cake time, Mimi grabbed a big slice. She took a giant bite, her mouth open wide, and crumbs tumbled down her chin. Yummy, but a little messy. Mimi's mommy smiled softly. "Mimi Bear," she whispered, "it's polite to take small bites and chew with your mouth closed. It helps keep you tidy and lets everyone enjoy their cake." Mimi felt a little bit shy, but she wanted to try. She picked up her fork again. This time, she took a tiny bite. She tried very hard to remember to close her mouth as she chewed. Slowly, Mimi ate her cake with small, neat bites. She chewed with her mouth closed. Her friends noticed and gave her happy smiles. Mimi felt proud and her tummy was full of cake and good manners.